In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chart formatting and duplicate charts in Google Sheets. This can save you time and effort when working with data visualizations, especially if you need to create multiple charts with a similar style or setup. To begin, open your Google Sheets document where your existing chart is located. If you haven't already created one, you can quickly generate a chart from the data you have in your spreadsheet. Once your document is open, you'll want to locate the chart that you wish to copy. Move your cursor over the chart and click to select it. You'll notice a border surrounding the chart, indicating that it's selected and ready for the next step. With your chart selected, it's time to make a copy of it. Simply press the keys Ctrl and C simultaneously. This action will copy not just the chart itself, but all its formatting, styles, and data configurations to your clipboard. Keep in mind that this method is ideal if you want to retain the original settings. Next, navigate to the cell where you want to paste this copied chart. Position your cursor on your target cell. This can be any empty space where you'd like your chart to appear. When you're ready, press Ctrl and V at the same time. This pastes your copied chart into the selected area. Now that you have a duplicate chart, you may want to make some adjustments. Click on the More Options or three-dot icon that appears on the top right corner of the pasted chart. This will give you additional settings and customization options for your chart. From there, go to the Chart Editor, which provides a variety of customization tools for your chart. Within the Chart Editor, click on the Setup tab. Here you can modify the data range used by your chart. If you want to change the data that your duplicated chart displays, update the data range so that it corresponds with the data from another section of your spreadsheet, such as Table 2. Make sure your data is adequately organized in columns or rows, depending on your chart type, for more accurate representation. Lastly, click OK to apply these changes. Your new chart should reflect the different data range while maintaining the formatting of the original chart. This streamlined approach allows you to duplicate charts efficiently in Google Sheets, making it easier to handle large data sets or repetitive styling tasks. And that's it. You've successfully copied the formatting and duplicated a chart in Google Sheets. This method is not only efficient, but also ensures consistency across your charts, enhancing the overall appearance of your data analysis. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your spreadsheet projects.